asuntoskeittiö Jyväskylän matruusi.
Yeah, and the Viilukuja 5 in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomi, Viilukuja. And today is the 9th of August 2021. But I think we think this was also replaced.
Yeah.
It hasn't been cases before. It was built in late 2002 to 2003.
Already in 2007.
But that was only after 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
Oh, really strange. 13 floors here. Serial number is H10923432. No H there. Prestige 8 per floor, 600 grams. We expected it this year, 2021. The replacement is turning 15 years old and it doesn't go into the next year. 31st. But then they made it too slow.
Yeah.
Building 3 was built 2010.
Yeah.
And that was after 7 years or 8 years.
Yeah.
But still too soon. Oh, even if it was generic.
Yeah.
For that time. A bit too early. But if it was a really bad generic.
Yeah.
And they had no other choice.
Yeah.
I will also check the door here. You can see. From here. It looks like 18. Somebody wrote it.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't say it.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it was. It's on the podcast it says 2002. And it doesn't finish 2003.
Yeah.
So we know exactly. Let's go back to the first floor. I think it was always this slow for generic.
Oh yeah.
That's why they couldn't make it faster.
Yeah.
But they could have done it.
Yeah. Expected by Givains, but maintained by Kone.
Yeah. But of course it is better to replace with KSS than with practice from the time.
Oh yeah. Of course.
Still better. Yeah. That's it.
That's